Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm representing CleanScript group and I'm going to be taking you through the tutorial on how to log in into the CleanScript e-learning system dashboard. First set of action is to launch the application by logging into www.cleanscriptgroup.com/elearning. Having done that, the next line of action, the application will open. Then you have to log in with your username, being the email address that the administrator created for you. For me, I have already saved my email and my password. So the next thing is to click on the login button. It tells me, oh, details are not found, meaning that I entered invalid or incorrect details. So I'm going to click on the right one, and then I click on the login button. It tells me, wow, I'm on the dashboard. So that is all it takes to log into the application. Thank you.